How to fix Duolingo language on an Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Duolingo language on Android phone. First, go to settings and here scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Duolingo and click on it, and then click storage, and here click clear cache, and now click clear data and click OK. After that your data, you will lose your data, and that will help you to fix your problem. So just go and log in with new account, not your old account, and that's it. Then you can select a new language, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.